Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about IBPS RRB clerk selection process, that related examination, and also the topics that you have to consider for your preparation. All of these will be covered in this video.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers.
Examination pattern for prelims. You will have two sections to answer, which is the reasoning section and the quantitative aptitude section. Now for prelims examination, the time given is 45 minutes. The number of questions are 40 in each, total 80 on 80. Please remember that the mode of examination or the way you want to take up the examination is bilingual, which is you can take up in English or as well as in Hindi. Now this will be preferred on the type of examination which you are choosing in the application form. Heading over to the mains examination, you will have 5 different sections, which are reasoning section, 40 questions for 50 marks, and quantitative aptitude section, 40 questions again for 50 marks, general awareness section, 40 on 40 again. Now in fourth section, you will have 2 separate sections again. Number 1 is the English language section for 40 and 40. For Hindi language section again, you will have 40 and 40. Now for computer knowledge, 40 questions, weightage of marks is only for 20. Total 200 questions for 200 marks. Now for all of these sections except for English and Hindi languages, there is a component of choosing your way you have to take up your exam. You can either take up in English or you can take up in Hindi. It's up to you, the choice is given to you. So according to the choice of language you are choosing in the application form, it will be further directed in the question paper as well. Now the composite time, as mentioned, it is for 2 hours. For the reasoning ability section, there are n number of topics that you have to cover up. Some of them which I will be mentioning are decision making, causes and effects, blood relation, direct tests, series tests, inequalities, data sufficiency, input and output, statements, actions and courses, word formation, puzzles. And for next is the quantitative aptitude section, which is the age problem, simplifications, ratio and proportions, the same data sufficiency, profit and loss, compound interest, averages, HCF and LCM. And for English language section, it is reading comprehension, error deduction, rearrangement of sentences, antonyms and synonyms, rules for tenses, fill in the blanks, phrase substitutions. For Hindi language section, as I've mentioned earlier, for the fourth section in your mains examination paper, you will have 2 subdivisions, which is for English and then the Hindi section. For English, as I've said, next for Hindi it is Vyakyaran, error spotting, paragraphs, reading comprehension, fill in the blanks, and antonyms and synonyms. Next is for computer knowledge, basic knowledge of internet, security tools, MS Office, software and hardware fundamentals, computer abbreviations, computer languages, etc. For general awareness, it's history of banking of India, RBI, sports, awards, agriculture, budget, banking awareness, India and international current affairs. The next is the financial awareness, loans, reconstructing of loans, advanced non-performing assets, overview of banking and banking reforms in India, risk management, budget and economic strategies, etc. And furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications or if you have any questions for us, place them in the comment section and we will answer them. Subscribe to Freshers Now and thank you for watching.